Hi everybody! Today I want to teach you another sound, a very beautiful sound, which is the brother of sin because its name is shin. ش sound in Persian. ش غیر آخر ش آخر ش غیر آخر ش آخر. This is another consonant. Why I say this is the brother of sin? Return back to the previous video that I thought you seen, because this is shin. Sin, we had سه دندونه with 3 teeth. ش غیر آخر with 3 teeth like sin, but 3 beautiful dots above its head. Shin, sh غیر آخر comes at the beginning of the word and in the middle. But sh آخر, sh, the final, comes at the end of the word. It takes the hands of the previous sound but not the next because it should come at the end. Look at how do I write sh آخر. 1, 2, 3 and go down and a very beautiful curve and 3 dots. ش آخر. You see, as I told you, ش اول or ش غیر آخر comes at the beginning in the word شب, night. You see sh in the initial position, or in sheer, milk. We have learned sheer in the word lion, sheer, but sheer again we have for milk, or shotor in the initial position. But sh آخر, you see, at the end of the word. It can come alone like the word تراش, sharpener, تراش, you see, ش آخر, or ش آخر in the word بالش, pillow. You see, it takes the hands of the ل sound that I will teach you in the ل sound. And in the middle, you see, machine. You see, different kinds of coming of sh sound in Persian. ش غیر آخر ش آخر. Now let's go to the جدول دوستی, table of friendship, to combine sh with our vowel sounds to make words. As I told you, this is our table of friendship, جدول دوستی. I have written vowel sounds above and we write consonant here to make friendship between the sounds, because in Persian language, alphabets take each other's hands to make words. sh غیر آخر, ش آخر is a consonant, so we write it here. Okay, اگر, if we make friendship between sh and a, then we have sha. The word sha is like sham. Sham in Persian is dinner. Sham is dinner. Sham جوجه کباب داریم. We have جوجه کباب for dinner. Sham. If we make friendship between sh and a, then we have sha. I write it here that you can see better. Shab. Shab. Shab is night. What is its opposite? I taught you in re video. Return back and watch re. Shab. And its opposite is روز. Shab. روز. If we make friendship between sh and u, then we have shu. Shu. Shu like shur. Salty like chips. Shur. Shur. If we make friendship between sh and o, then we have sho. Sho like مثل شطور. شطور. Look at the way I write the word شطور. To write correct and with good speed, first you write sh, the teeth, then the tooth for te, and then re, return back, and put the dots for she, sho, and te sound, shotor. If we make friendship between sh and e, two forms we have she and she. She and she. I write it here. Look at here. First tooth. Sheer. Milk. Sheer. And this she, we have she. I write it here that you see how we combine sh and e آخر. She in the word نقاشی, painting, that you haven't learned sound yet. I don't write it now for you. Sha, sha, shu, sho, she. Now let's go to homework to see what word we can write. You have learned a lot of alphabets up to now. Return back and watch the previous videos. Welcome back to the homework. By the way, I wanted to remind you that Persian language is a language that you should write. Write your homework carefully, read aloud when you are writing, and very important, write everything in a lined notebook. Okay? Now, ش غیر آخر ش آخر شب. Look at the way I write and imitate exactly how I do. شب. شام. dinner. شام. شیر. milk. شیر. car. machine. machine. You see, first I write the whole form, then return back and put the dots. 3 for she, 2 for e, 1 for ne. Machine. These were the words you should write for homework. See you in the next video. Good luck!